Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to shoot in slow motion on Nikon Z30. To do it, you'll need to go to the menu right here, then select the correct frame rate. In order to do it, go to video recording menu, then find frame size and frame rate. Now you can set it to different options. 4K unfortunately only supports up to 30 FPS, so that is not enough for slow motion. For that matter, I would highly recommend switching to 1080p, and you can record at 120 FPS and then slow it down once you're editing the video. You can also record at 100. It'll also be fine when slowing down. Just so you know, 120p allows you to slow down to 5 times. Then 100 is going to be down to 4 times. And 60 will be 2 times. 50 could also be 2 times. Yeah, so maybe 60 would be 2.5 if you stretch it a little bit. If you want a 2.5. Remember, the higher the FPS, the larger the file size will be. And another thing is that in 120p, you are limited when it comes to shutter speed more than you are if you're shooting in 60, for example. And 60 is still good enough for 2 times slowdown, as I said. Now, by the way, if you go down here, you can actually shoot in a already slowed down mode. But these modes, remember that already slowed down modes give you a little less, if you want to record just a slow motion and you know that, it'll be fine. But if you want to record something that you may later possibly slow down, then I would recommend just recording in 120, 100 or 60 FPS in order to slow it down later, maybe just a part of it, not the whole video. And these 3 are going to be slowed down immediately after recording by the camera, and also the sound will be slowed down. So that's why I think it's better if you don't want the full video to be slowed down, then it's better to record at a higher frame rate and then slow it down later manually. And that is basically it. So I'll set it to 120. And that is basically it. Now you can go to the video mode and start recording. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.